Lesson 1-6, divide integers. So in this lesson, we're going to be dividing integers with positive and negative numbers. So a quick review of division with signed numbers. So the inverse operations are mathematical operations that undo each other. So we've already done multiplication. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations, and multiplication and division are inverse operations. So if you know how to do one, you can use that to help you with the inverse of it. So with the rules of division when it comes to signed numbers, if the signs are the same, your answer is going to have that same sign. Or if the signs are the same, so if they're both positive and you're dividing, the answer is positive. If they're both negative, then your answer is also going to be positive. Now, if the signs are different, then your answer is always going to be negative. So this is just like the division rules we did in our last lesson. So example 1, Mrs. Ferrara drains water from her above ground pool. The height of the water decreases by 3 inches per minute. How many minutes does it take for the height of the water to decrease 15 inches? Now you could use the pictures here with the number line or the model with tiles. I'm going to do it without it. Now here it says a decrease of 3 inches. That means -3. And decrease 15 inches means a -15. So we're going to take -15. That's the total number of inches it's going to decrease by. And we're going to divide that by -3, which is the rate of how quickly it's decreasing per minute. And they're asking how many minutes does it take for the water to have that height. So -15 divided by -3 would give us an answer of 5 minutes. Now, if you end up with a negative answer, that would not make sense in the problem because you can't have a negative time in minutes. So both numbers would have to be negative. Other examples here, find the quotient, 54 divided by 9. Since they're both positive, my answer is positive. That would give us a +6. -64 divided by -8. They're both negative, so my answer is positive. That would give us 8. 81 divided by -9. Two different signs, so our answer is negative. That would be a -9. -144 divided by 12 would also give us a -12 because one's positive, one's negative. 36 divided by -6 is -6. -60 divided by -10. Since the signs are the same, I have a positive answer, which would be a +6. 25 divided by -5 would give us -5 because one's positive, one's negative. Here I have 72 divided by -8, which will give us -9. -9 times -1 will give us a +9. -4 is +4 divided by -2 is a -2. -66 divided by 11 is -6. Absolute value of -6 is 6. Absolute value of -10 is 110. Absolute value of -11 is 11. 110 divided by 11 would give you 10. And the last part, some special rules for division that involves 1, -1, and 0. So the quotient of any non-zero integer and 1 is that integer. So that's saying if I did 4 divided by 1, that's still 4. The quotient of any non-zero integer and -1 is the opposite of that integer. So if I said 4 divided by -1, that would be -4, because the opposite of 4 is -4. And 0 is divided by any non-zero integer is 0. So if I said 0 divided by 4, that would give you 0. And then division of any integer by 0 is undefined. You can never divide by 0. Even if you tried on a calculator, it would give you an error message because there's not a real solution for that. So -9 divided by -1 is -9. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 10 divided by 0 is undefined. or you could just say it's no solution. 0 divided by 15 is 0. So that's our lesson on dividing integers.